moment generating function. Let x be a random variable. The moment generating function x is given by mx of t. Okay, about origin is e of expectation of e power tx. Okay, about mean is e of e power t x minus mu. Here mu equal to mean, right? So there are two type of formula here. Okay, one is for discrete case, another is for continuous case. In the case of discrete, moment generating function is e power tx. So if it is discrete, apply summation e power txi into pi. If it is continuous, apply integration e power tx into f of x dx, right? Okay. Now we are going to see some problems. The cumulative distributive function of an random variable x is capital F of x equal to 1 minus x plus 1 e power minus x for x greater than 0. Find PDF, mean variance. Okay, right. First one is PDF, that is probability density function. So we can directly find PDF from cumulative. Simply differentiate this with respect to x. So PDF formula here is differentiation of cumulative distributive function with respect to x. Now differentiate this with respect to x. This one becomes 0. Leave this. Minus, apply UV formula here. This is u. If we differentiate this, we get e power minus x minus 1. Plus, if we differentiate this, become 1 e power minus x. After simplification, cancelling the common term, we get f of x equal to x into e power minus x. So there is a lot of difference between a small f of x and a capital F of x. Small f of x refers probability density function, whereas capital F of x refers probability, cumulative distributive function. Okay. Next, second question is mean. Formula for mean in the case of continuous is e of x equal to minus infinity plus infinity x into f of x dx. This is standard formula for e of x in continuous case. Okay, what is f of x here? X into e power minus x. Put here x into x become x square e power minus x dx. Okay, we have minus infinity infinity, right? But here when x greater than 0 only this formula. When x greater than 0 means simply 0 to infinity this formula. Otherwise it is 0. So take 0 to infinity instead of minus infinity to infinity. Okay, formula for this is 0 to infinity x power n minus 1 e power minus ax is simply n minus 1 factorial by a power n. Okay, so put here 2 here, therefore 2 factorial by 1 cube equal to 2. Apply this formula here. Right, now to find the variance of x, the formula is e power x square minus e of x the whole square. Okay, but we should know what is e of x square. We know e of x equal to simply 2. 2 square become 4. We have to find this. For this, e of x square equal to minus infinity plus infinity x square f of x dx. Again, substitute f of x equal to x into e power minus x become x cube e power minus x. Apply formula 3 factorial by 4. Apply the same formula. This formula become 6 here. Put 6 here. 6 minus 4 is 2 here. Okay, is the problem. That's all. Now second problem. The probability mass function of a discrete random variable x is given in the following table, right? So x is given like this: minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. P of x equal to x 0.1 k, 0.2, 2k, 0.3 k. The question here is find the value of k, probability of x less than 1, probability of minus 1 less than x less than 2, e of x, variance of x. Okay, first we are going to find the value of k. For this we are going to apply sum of all the probability equal to 1. So here this statement is wrong here. Okay, sum of all the probability equal to 1. That means sum of all the probability, add all the probability, that is equal to 1. After simplification, can easily find k equal to 0.1. After finding k equal to 0.1, substitute the value here. So we get the new table. Okay, so first one is, second one is p of x less than 1. So less than 1 means less than 1. So 0, minus 1, 2, 3. That is p of x equal to minus 2, x equal to minus 1, p of x equal to 0. Less than 1 means don't include 1 here. Okay, add all the values, we get 0.4. Next one is p of minus 1 less than x less than or equal to 2. That means from minus 1 to 2. Don't include minus 1 also. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. Add all the values, we get 0.7. Next one is expectation, e of x. Formula here is summation xi pi. Okay, that means this is x, into p minus 2 into 0.1 easy minus 2 into 0.1 minus 1 into 0.1 0 into 0.2 1 into 0.2 2 into 0.3 3 into 0.1 likewise. Okay, now after simplification we can easily find e of x equal to 0.8. So next one is we are going to find the variance. To find the variance we should know e of x square. Formula for this is simply replace this by x square. Okay, squaring means simply square this number. Minus 2 square is 4 here. 4 into corresponding probability here is 0.1. Similarly square this. 1 into 0.1. Similarly square this 0 into 0.2 likewise. Okay, that is 2.8. What is variance of x? E of x square minus e of x the whole square. E of x square is 2.8 minus what is e of x the whole square? 0.8 the whole square. Subtracting we get 2.16. Okay, right.